Hey chefs, let's quickly talk about the live orders tab. Here you'll be able to manage all of the incoming orders in real time. So let's quickly just send an order. And as you can see here, we got a new order. So here what I can do, if I'm going to details, this is the order. I can see exactly what was the order, any extras if they ordered with the order, and I can see the customer info obviously. When they want to pick up, this method we did the pickup and not the delivery one. So when they want to pick it up, and then you can reject or accept. You can also print the bill. So let's say that I'm accepting the order. Now we just basically walk through the process. So after I accepted and it's been prepared, the next one will be delivered. If they came and took it, then you can mark it as delivered. And the last step will be to mark it as closed. If you go back to the live orders, you can see that our order is done.